Welcome to Level Up with May's Arabic course, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we will learn about the three sisters, Ba, Ta, and Tha, which all share a similar basic shape. The letters Ba, Ta, and Tha share the same basic shape with identical shapes for initial, middle, and final positions. We differentiate them by the number of dots and their placement either above or below the shape. First, let's look at the letter Ba. It sounds like the B in the word baby. It can be connected from both sides. This letter has the same shape at the beginning and middle of a word, where you remove the closed left side of the basic shape, or like the lower right side angle of a rectangle with one dot at the bottom. It has the same shape in the middle, but is connected to the previous letter. At the end, it takes its basic closed shape. Here are some examples of the letter B in different positions within words. Darb, Badr, Bab, Bard. Next is the letter Ta. It sounds like the T in the word 10. The letter Ta, or the smiley face of the Arabic language, is written with two dots above the basic shape. It is written exactly like the Ba at the beginning, middle, and end of a word, except for the dots. Here are some examples. تدرب, يتوب, تاب, تريد. Our third letter is Tha. It sounds like the th in the English word Thor. To pronounce it, place the tip of your tongue on the edge of your upper teeth and blow air through your mouth without vibrating your vocal cords. It has the same shape as the B and the T, but the only difference is that it has three dots above the basic shape. Here are some examples. ثارت, بثت, يثابر, بث. Here's a quick reference for each letter, its English pronunciation, and shapes at the start, middle, and end of a word. To reinforce your learning, you can practice writing these letters using the worksheet on my website, LevelUPwithMay.com. For more detailed guidance, you can watch the videos on my YouTube channel at Level Up with May, where I demonstrate how to write and join these letters to form words. I am bringing my 20 years of experience online in language acquisition and theory of knowledge so that you level up your skills. Thank you for watching.